Hi, I'm Aaron from DataClassroom, and I want to show you one of the main uses of DataClassroom, which is graphing. And we've built DataClassroom to be easy graphing, where your students can make pro quality graphs in just a couple of clicks. And I'm going to show you an example of that. And then there will be additional help videos for specific things within the graphing topic. So I'm going to show you here in the dataset view to start making a graph. You go up here to the graph tab, so you can see we're in table view, and I click graph and we come into the graph view. And then I just simply want to start adding variables, and you can see your variables listed across the top, and you click these buttons that say show. So this variable mass change graph this column, I'm going to click show, and I've added that. If I want to add a second variable, I'll go and I'll click that. And then you can see that gets added to the plot. Now, this panel on the right is always going to show you what is currently showing with the red X and Y, or Z if you have a third variable, but it's also going to start presenting options for you. So you can see, like right now, I've got options to connect dots if I wanted to make a line graph, which I don't with this particular data set, or I could do a regression line, which I might want to do. So I check that box and it adds a regression line. So now I've made an XY scatter plot with a line of best fit that is a linear regression line. I can also customize the look of my graph. So this button over here, this big blue appearance button, if I click this, will open this appearance menu, and I can scroll down and look through my options. I could do something like add a title, and you can see I just type in there, and that will appear as my title. I could also do some more fun stuff, like instead of representing the points with dots, I could represent them with data emojis right here. So I click that, and then I can choose my data emojis, and I can search. This is a potato osmosis lab, so I'm going to search for a potato icon. We'll use the regular potato there. And you can see now I've turned my points into potatoes. I'm going to close the appearance. If I decide this is a graph that I want to use for some other assignment, I can go ahead and I can click this camera in the upper right, and this is how I'm going to export my graph. What it's doing right now is it's saying this is the image you're going to take. I click copy and then done. And now that image is loaded on my clipboard. So if I go to a document that I'm working on, say this is my lab report here, I can just simply paste in my graph, and from there it's an image. I can resize it, I can move it around the page, and that's how you get a graph out of DataClassroom. So I hope that example was helpful. That's one of the main things that DataClassroom does, is graphing. If you want to learn more about graphing and dive deeper, we have further videos for that. So with that, I'll just say thanks for checking out DataClassroom and have fun exploring.